Hey, Mike Ely here with another Bidpoint business tip for you, and this is near and dear to my heart because this is probably one of my favorite software programs or tools that I found out there to simplify the communication process, okay? So here's the scenario. You're going back and forth with a client, there's questions coming up, you've been typing, you're kind of trying to email, you're trying to explain through over the phone, how to do certain things, and sometimes it just can't be communicated properly or with the right emotion, or showing somebody on their screen where the correct buttons are. So what I'm about to show you is definitely my favorite free service that's out there that I'm sure eventually they'll charge for it, but it is spectacular. And it's a screen record service, but it's way above and beyond anything I've seen before because I'm going to show you how fast it is. So I'm actually going to be recording my screen, which is cool. So what it's called, and I'm going to jump right over here to my computer, is it's called UseLoomcom, UseLoom.com, and here's what it looks like. So basically, if you go to UseLoom.com, it's going to pop this up for you, and it's one-click install. What's nice is it allows you to quickly install the Chrome plugin right there, or the plugin for whatever browser. I think typically it's just on Chrome, that will be able to just click a button and it'll start recording your screen, and then watch how fast this actually transforms your communication into simplified video terms. This is how I do it with a lot of the clients that we use, and I'm going to show it to you real quick. So this is what it looks like, UseLoom. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to give you an example of what we do with our company. So let's say we had a conversation going on about pricing for our service, and I needed to show them exactly how to fill out one of their requests for pricings, so we can get them the better pricing for their energy and natural gas, right? Their natural gas and electricity. Okay, so what I would do is, maybe they don't understand the document. I go up here, I click on this little icon. It's going to say loading. It will show my picture on here if I want, my video on here. I'm going to close that out. But then all I got to do is I'm going to do full desktop or current tab. I typically leave it on full desktop. Click start recording. I'm going to take my whole screen. It shows the 3, 2, 1 countdown. And boom, now I'm recording this. So I could be talking and going on through here and so on. Say, hey, type in here, da-da-da-da, type in here, da-da-da-da-da, and so on. And then all I do is click stop sharing. Watch this, this is so awesome. Boom, it processes your video that fast, and it's ready. And then I watch it to make sure I explained it. Hear how it's recorded? Talking and going on through here and so on. I pause it, and then all I got to do is copy that link, email somebody that link, and then the best part is, once I've emailed them the link, you will get a notification that somebody watched your video. So a lot of times you want to make sure that they took action and they saw exactly what you were trying to explain to them. You can do that, and it's a free service and so on. So it's called UseLoom.com. I'm telling you, it'll change communication. I've referred it to probably a few hundred people to use it, and they all come back and say, man, I'm so glad. It's really helped the way we do things and explain, whether filling out documents or what they need to do, or they're just trying, or the owner of the company is trying to convey something, a change that he wants on a website or something like this. And it's the easiest, fastest way to do it at literally no cost. So at no cost, actually. So hope that business tip helped you, and we'll see you on some of the other ones. Thanks.